Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, we're going to do a little unboxing of some Jeffree Star liquid lips and some lip scrubs. And I ordered all of this good stuff. I think around July the 4th, they had a 30% off coupon code. You know, I'm a cheap ass. So of course I ordered some stuff with that 30% off code. It's no longer available. And I just wanted to do this unboxing in case you guys were going to buy some stuff and you wanted to see how it came packaged. And to my surprise, it's like you have a really great best friend and she packaged everything with a lot of love, threw it in a box, and it's absolutely just packed so beautifully. As you can see, I smushed that bag a little bit before I opened it up because I can't help myself. But I mean, everything is just packaged so gorgeously. This is part of their summer collection. Oh my gosh, a beautiful postcard. I didn't buy the Thirsty palette. I'm more into lip products. So I picked up 4 products, 2 liquid lips and 2 lip scrubs. And with the shipping and tax and all that good stuff, I think shipping was free, but with the tax and everything, I think it was like $40, which isn't bad, and stuff I've always wanted to try, but I just would not pay the prices. So we have Mannequin and Calabasas in the liquid lips. I have been using both of these for a couple of weeks, and I gotta say what the hype is and all the excitement. I don't know what he's doing in California, but these are superior liquid lipsticks. You throw that on your lips and you're good for like 8 to 12 hours. Eating, drinking coffee, doing whatever. It just stays on your lips. I've never seen a formula quite like this, and I have been, you know, Urban Decay, MAC, any drugstore, we get it for free as couponers, but this stuff, throw it on your lips, you're good for like at least 8 hours. My husband even noticed, and he's like not a makeup person, but I had Mannequin on my lips, and he's like, your lipstick's still on. We went for lunch, and I ate like a sandwich and a whole bunch of other food, drank a whole bunch of iced tea, and the lipstick was still on after that. So this is the lip scrub. I gotta say, this is my favorite thing. These were with the coupon code like $8. I think they're usually like closer to $12 on his site, but they are just absolutely fantastic. It's a lip scrub, extremely quenching on the lips too. So I have been using the pancake one, pancake and maple syrup, and I also got myself marshmallow. I'm only using one right now, and I've been using the pancake one, and I love it so much. I'm just going to do a little unboxing to show you guys what it looks like, but I have been using this for a couple weeks every single day, and I just can't stop using it. Like, I just want to keep reapplying it to my lips because whatever he's using for like a chapstick embedded in this lip scrub, it's so nice on your lips, and I just love the taste of pancakes and syrup. What a great combination. And there it is, topped right to the top, and it's just a really pleasant lip scrub. I have tried stuff from Lush before, other cosmetic companies. I gotta say, this one, the best. Everything from his packaging to the quality of the products, a solid 11 out of 10. I am so impressed, and I would probably pay full price next time. I mean, I loved getting 30% off, but I would absolutely pay full price because this stuff is totally worth it. So I just thought it'd be really cool. Right here, we're going to do a couple of swatches of the different colors of the liquid lips. Now I'm going to do a couple of swatches of Mannequin and Calabasas. I've had these liquid lipsticks for about 2 weeks, and I have been using them. So they have been well loved, just to let you know that this is not how they come packaged, because I have used the liquid lips. So this is the first one, which is Mannequin, a gorgeous nude. You just saw I put a little tiny bit on it on my wrist, and like that's a lot of product, and the applicator is so soft on the lips. This is just a gorgeous nude color. And this one, Calabasas, kind of like a mauvey pink. As you can see, my little helper came out to try and help me. And this one, just again, a little bit, goes a really long way. And this is a very beautiful mauvey pink, and love this color. It's just so fantastic. And that much product will last 8 to 12 hours on my lips, so love it. And Suzu loves it too. She's always trying to help. So absolutely in love with this company. I will be ordering more stuff, and it is definitely worth these price points as well. A little bit goes a long way, and if you are into high-end makeup, man, they package it so beautifully, and the quality is a solid, again, 11 out of 10. And here is another side-by-side with both Mannequin and Calabasas. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.